now I want to look at a couple models that people have given me over the last year, and I've been trying to get some examples together for this presentation. One of them is used in the Brazil webinar that Sergio Martinez did, and it's a scroll ring. So if you go out, let me go back to our website here. If you go back to our website and you go to Brazil, you can get to this model if you want to play around with it right here off the Brazil website. Okay, let's look at this model. So what's unique about this model? Well, first of all, it's jewelry, so it's smaller and smaller than the other objects that we've been working with, and the actual object will be smaller than the detail views that we create. So if I come here to units, the model unit is millimeter and the layout unit is also millimeter. Okay, so those are the same. But when I look at this detail, the detail is a quarter of a unit in the model view to 1 unit on the layout. So if I grab my pen again and I do a little bit of sketching here, 1 unit on the layout is only going to have a quarter or 0.25 millimeters. So 1 millimeter on the layout will be equal to 0.25, a quarter millimeter in the detail. So all of these details are set to 1 to 0.25. Okay, and they're not locked yet, but it's probably be, knowing what we know about details, would probably be a really good time here to lock them. And this is a picture frame. So we just bought the picture frame in and added a title. Okay, so when we look at the dimensions, they are being affected by annotation scale, and we have a dimensions style called millimeter large for whatever reason we named it that. I'm going to put in a text height of 8, and I'm going to change the arrow size also to 8 millimeters. And when I pick OK and I come back out again, then the dimensions are now easier to read than when they were 0.35. Okay, but the process is the same. Add a layout, set a scale to the, and when you add the layout, you can either have it come with details or without details, set a scale, arrange them, line them up, add labels, add dimensions, text, picture frames, whatever it's going to take to turn this into a real sheet that's ready to go to the printer.